Okay, so we're carrying on now with the number 5 rigger. Sorry, no, it's number 3 rigger, this one, a smaller one, just to try and get some little finer details in. But doing the same job, I'm still scumbling, using a little bit of new paint, using paint that's already on the page. As I said before, mouths are tricky at the best of times. But I'm quite happy the way it's going so far. The trick is going to be knowing when to stop. It's so tempting to put more definition in the outline. So I'm turning over to the other side now. And obviously, because I'm over to the right hand side of the painting, I've had to bring my reference a little bit nearer to see. So don't be afraid of taking it out if you think you've put too much paint in. Now as I'm painting as well, I'm squinting my eyes to see blocks of tone rather than think of it as being eyes and nose. Think of it as just being shapes of different tones. That's why I printed it off in black and white, the reference material, so I don't get distracted by colours, and I'm just using, like I say, using tone. How to approach the glasses was tricky, because you know they're obviously hard objects, but I decided just to use one or two little descriptive, the darkest parts of the glasses. Again, like I say, having never done it before, I didn't really know how everything was going to pan out. Okay, on to the other eye, which as you can see is mainly in shadow. So it's a case of seeing the dark shadow areas and painting that. Now I'm quite happy with the eyes and nose so far, I think. Work my way down. Cut out the background on this reference picture to kind of, you know, so I wouldn't be distracted. because the light shining on the left hand side of the head is perfect, obviously, for, you know, for the sun coming through the clouds. It's in a perfect position, that light. Basically, I try everything I can to cut out detail that isn't needed. So we're coming towards the end of this lesson. I'll see you in the next part. See you soon.